Hey, and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction, where we're filming all of our famous trailers. We only carry the best sellers. This one happens to be a 2019 Quailridge 39 CBDL. She is clay with white windows and white trim, white shutters. This one lists for about $59,000. It's a really cool trailer. Linoleum throughout, sleeper sofa, everything in them stays in them. It's wired for surround sound, ceiling fan overhead, one of the biggest lofts in the industry. Lots and lots of cabinets, fireplace, recliner, storage under the dining room seats, big old kitchen, black appliances, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless sink, lots of storage for everything. We're going to be able to see in the bathroom here. It's got one option I like, shower only, neo-angle shower with the linen closet beside it. Medicine cabinet, vanity sink, storage underneath, and the all-important commode. There is storage under the stairs. We're going to head for the master bedroom, 56,000 BTU furnace. And this one happens to have the optional door in the master bedroom. You can get this with or without that door. It's got the big old Quailridge wardrobe, 8 drawers and 4 doors. Called the His and Hers. It's wired for a flat screen on the wall if you like to watch TV from bed. Let's go have a quick look at the upstairs, and that'll be the end of my quick down and dirty tour of the 2017 Quailridge 39 CBDL. There you go. Okay, we'll head back down the stairs, take one last look maybe around the kitchen. Dining room, cabinetry. Again, thanks for looking. Video by Kelly Hicks Construction Incorporated. Have a great day.